Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is a big one, and I finally made the decision to purchase a brand new camera, and today I will be unboxing it with you guys, so let's do it. So I already opened the box just to make sure that the correct thing was in there, obviously. So gosh. So it's like a little tiny box in this huge box. I think that's kind of unnecessary, but whatever. So as you guys can tell from this video title, I did decide to purchase the Canon EOS M50. And I did get the creator's kit. So currently, right now, I am filming on just my iPhone. It is an iPhone X. All my previous videos have been made on this phone. So I thought it was time to upgrade and finally purchase my first real camera. Oh my gosh, I almost spilled my coffee. Okay, anyways, so like I said, I did get the creator's kit. So it does come with the camera, obviously, and then it does also come with a 32 gigabyte SanDisk card, like that. And it does come with the Rode VideoMic Go. So we'll be testing this later on in the video. And then the camera. Here's the box, like that. So with choosing the M50, I was stuck between the Canon M6 Mark II and the M50, and it kind of came down to one, obviously, is the price difference. So the M6 is a few $100s more expensive, and also the M6 does not have a viewfinder. And overall, I thought that the reviews on this were still and just as good as the M6, and I know the video quality might be a little bit different, but for right now, I think this is going to be a perfect camera for me to shoot my videos with and take photos. Alright, here's just instructions and the little manual it comes with. I've watched other people's unboxing videos, and I know that I do need to charge the battery before turning on the camera, so I will be doing that before I do the transition to that camera. And next it comes with a little camera strap, just like that. Cool. Next it comes with, I think this is the lens. Comes like that. Oh my gosh. So the lens that it comes with is just the kit lens. It is a 15 to 45 millimeter lens, and I do plan on purchasing other lenses in the near future, but for now, this is perfect. So the lens is very tiny because the camera is also very tiny. So this is what it looks like. It's got the cap on it. And it comes with the battery, of course. And I've heard mixed things with these batteries. I've heard that the batteries aren't the greatest, so it's advised to buy multiple of these batteries for this camera. Next is just the charger, and this just mounts to the wall like that, and you can go ahead and charge the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the battery right now. This goes like this, slides in. Okay, so now that that is charging, we're gonna go ahead and look at the camera. So another reason why I went with this camera is because how compact and small it is. Compared to like the Canon G7X lines, it is slightly larger. So let's go ahead and look at it. It is literally so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I've never like owned my own camera like this before, so this is a big moment for me. Wow. So on this camera, it does have a flip out screen, just like that, and it's perfect because it also twists to the front, so when you are vlogging, you can see yourself. And I was a little concerned with having the screen off to the side because I try not to look at myself, obviously, but it does happen, and I'm just wondering how much of a difference it is to see myself looking off to the side just a little bit, or just my eyes. So we're gonna find out what that looks like later. And another thing that I like about this camera is that when you flip it, you can also close the camera with the screen on the back side, or when you're traveling, you can flip it and then the screen is fully protected, so you don't have to worry about it getting scratched or anything like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the lens for the first time. So you have to take off this little cover, just like that. That's what it looks like on the inside. Take that off, just like that. And then with these, to put it on correctly, there's that little white dot, and you look for the little white dot on the lens as well, and you basically just match those together and it should go on perfectly. With this camera, I know it does have 4K capability, and I'm aware that it does have a crop factor, and a crop factor is basically what you're seeing right now. It's just gonna get moved in a little bit, which that is a little downside to this camera, but honestly, for the crop angle that it does have, it's not that much, so I think it will still be perfect to use in 4K. So I watched a lot of different videos on mics, and I wasn't sure which one to go with, but the creator's kit did come with this mic, and this mic alone by itself is around $100. And I know there is a cheaper option, and that one is a little bit smaller, and that one runs for $60. And then there's also ones that run up to $200, and so on and so forth. So this is what it looks like. So just like that. So there's a little cover on the mount. So go ahead and take that off, save this, so that you can protect it, and it should just slide right on top, maybe. Okay, so you have to loosen this just a little bit. Sorry, I'm like so bright. And then it slides in, perfect, and then you move this down, just like that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, okay. Next is obviously, you have to connect it to the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And later on in this video, I am going to do a mic test, so I'm gonna show you guys what the camera sounds like with its built-in mic, and then what it sounds like with the Rode mic as well. There is a little mic import right there, so go ahead and open that. Okay, so it just kind of falls down like that. Plug in one side, and then this plugs into the back of the mic. This literally looks so freaking cute. I love it. So while the battery is charging, I'm gonna go run a few errands, and then I will be right back to film the comparison to shooting on an iPhone compared to the M50, and I will be doing outside clips as well. Okay, so it's about 2 hours later. The battery is fully charged, so I'm gonna put it in the camera, put the SD card in the camera as well, like that. Oh, just like that. That. Next is the SD card. And then this closes right back up. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna take off the lens cap and let's turn her on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. Okay, so already a downfall to this mic is you can't flip it like that when this is plugged in. So go ahead and unplug that. So to open the lens on this camera, you do have to push that open like that, and then you can turn it. And then to close it, again, same thing. So this is the part of the video where I am going to be transitioning cameras to see the quality difference and the sound difference as well. And we will be switching cameras in 3, 2, 1. All right, here we are on the Canon EOS M50. I really hope there is a big difference, and it looks pretty dang good to me. I'm looking in the viewfinder, and this camera does have very good autofocus. So the first test I want to do with this camera is the mic. So right now you're hearing the mic that is in the M50 by itself, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in the Rode Video Mic Go right now. So hopefully there is a difference. I'll walk around a little bit. Here's the low lighting. Hopefully it brightens up. Okay. In the kitchen, it's not too bad. Let's turn around where there's more direct sunlight. There's that. So with this camera, it does have great autofocus. So right now it's focusing on my face. Now I'm gonna switch it back to the zebra back there. So as you can tell, it's blurring me out just a little bit. And now I'm gonna go back to myself. Boom, right there. All right, so I'm currently outside. As you can see, it's a little cloudy. It is pretty windy a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. The autofocus still looks really good. I'm gonna walk around just a little bit, just like that. All right, looks good. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in, see what that looks like. Looks pretty good. All right, let's go back inside. All right, guys, we're back inside. I really hope the mic is working right now. I honestly can't tell if it is or not, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me unboxing the Canon EOS M50. I'm super excited to be filming with this camera now, and I can't wait to look back at the footage to see the difference. And yeah, so my next video that I will be filming is going to be 5 things I wish I would have known before joining the military. So that video will be up shortly, so look out for that. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below what you guys think about the camera quality. And yeah, see you guys soon, and peace.